Hey, good morning everyone. Jeff McDowell, the bald guy here, to bring you a video tour on the 2013 Lexus LS 460. Very cool car. A lot of technology inside this car. You'll see it does have the black exterior, and then you do have some graphite rims. There's a little bit of curb rash on this front driver wheel. I can double check and see if we can fix this. I believe we should be able to. They did have a clear mask installed, so the front end is in good shape. Tires, plenty of meat. They actually measured at 7 millimeters all the way around, and the brake pads were also at 7 millimeters. There's some curb rash on this guy. Look down the passenger side for you. Taking a look at the interior, you'll see it is that two-tone leather wrapped everywhere, from the dash to the lower part of the dash. This is your passenger front seat. Really good condition, barely any wear marks inside. Take a look here in the back. Mark Levinson surround sound. And of course, since this is the lovely LS, you have tons of controls back here. Heated and ventilated seating. You can do the full adjustability. I can even adjust the front radio up front. Change out our 4-zone climate control. So a lot of features inside. Just in case you want your own vanity mirror, you have that as well. The top of the headliner is in the Alcantara, so kind of a nice balance to that. And we do have the carpet mats and all-weather mats for this vehicle. Here is your passenger rear wheel. Driver rear wheel is the one that has the most damage to it, but like I said, I'll take a look at it, see if we can get these all repaired. A few little scuffs in the paint, we might be able to actually buff those out. Let's look here on the driver's side. Here's a look at your seat. Really good condition. I'd like to point out too, I'm not picking up on any odors from like pets or smoking. You'll see we have just under 55,000 miles on there. And of course, the extra large screen where you can do navigation on the left and then your radio on the right, all controlled with their new Inform, kind of like a mouse. It'll pull itself to the icons to make it a little bit easier to kind of balance. And then one other thing they do have in here that I do like is the auto temperature control for the seats, so you can have the warmth or comfort, and then there's your auxiliary extra power outlet for it as well. We do have 2 keys for the car, and taking a look at the Carfax, there's no accidents, no damage reported to owners. You see that 20 service records. It has been here in Colorado the whole time and maintained at Lexus dealers, so excellent pedigree inside of the car, and they were really meticulous about getting it to the dealer for any sort of maintenance that it may have needed. Not just doing the oil change, but doing the full, like you can see here, the 45K service. So definitely pedigree inside the car, a great piece to have. Here's your auto lights, heated steering wheel, blind spot monitoring, park assist. So plenty of features inside of this car. But I would love to see if we can earn your business on the car. I'll double check on the wheel repair for you, and then I'll get that information to you. I hope you have a wonderful day.